Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a client here. She's been coming to me for about a year and a half now. Her name is Kiki. I love her. Her energy is always lit, and she always come and get the pink liner with a natural glam. Now, but the natural glam is always a full natural glam, so it's not really natural. It's more so a neutral, if that makes sense. But it doesn't have any eyeshadow, so we just do the pink wing, the black liner, and full glam. Basically, that's what it is. And what I took was some sunscreen, and now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Primer, the grip primer, because we want this makeup to stick all day through this South Carolina heat, baby. Okay. And I'm just pressing that in with a damp beauty blender into her skin. And it's going to give the makeup a really, really good hold through this heat, y'all. Okay, now here I'm just going to take some clips and I'm just going to clip her beautiful hair back. And then I'm going to take some tape and I'm just going to tape her baby hairs. And this is going to protect her baby hairs from makeup. I found this trick on Instagram by another makeup artist. I forgot her name, but I believe she's like in Chicago, I believe. And I seen her doing it. And I was like, ooh, that's a cool trick to do. And I've been doing it ever since. And this is the tape I use, regular tape. Now I'm going in with my NARS Natural Radiant foundation, and I'm just going to press it in with the beauty blender. I love going in with the beauty blender because I don't like going in full coverage with a brush. I like to build my foundation up onto the skin, especially if my client already has beautiful skin. What I like to do is I like to go in a bit with the beauty blender, and it's just going to give me that sheer effect, if that makes sense. And if I want more coverage there, I'll add more coverage in the area that I need more coverage in. And I know y'all asking why she used so much concealer, because this is a full coverage face, baby. Okay? And I love a full under eye, if that makes sense. I know you don't have to use a lot of concealer, but with certain looks that I do, if I don't want a lot of contour, I'll highlight the hell out of a face, y'all. And that's what we're doing here. It might look a little orange, but just trust the process. You will see the difference in the end pictures and videos, okay? And even throughout, you're going to see a dramatic change. And what I'm going to go in with is my Real Technique brush. This is a 402, I believe. Flathead brush. They use this for like blush and stuff, but I love to use this to blend out my under eye concealer. And this right here is my favorite part, concealing, shaping the face. I love it. I love bringing structure and color back into the skin. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealers. I love their concealers. You know, I be hearing a lot of bad stuff about they oxidize and everything, but I feel like if you use the right colors at the right points, and I don't think they'll oxidize too bad. And I'm going to go in with my It Cosmetics dense brush, and I'm just going to press that into her skin. Realize we're doing tap motions. We're not doing any swipe motions. Okay, y'all, so this is like my favorite part is basically doing some nose surgery, okay? I'm going to go in with a very small dense brush, and I'm just going to contour the hell out of her nose, okay? I feel like nose contouring is for the girls that want a really structured nose, okay? And that's what I'm going to give every time. You want nose surgery, baby? Book the appointment, because why spend like close to $20,000, probably more than that, when you can spend half of that, less than that, and get a temporary nose job whenever you want to. I mean, I ain't trying to brag enough, but you know. Okay, and now I'm going in with my setting powder. I'm using the one size. I always forget to show my packaging for my setting powders, but this is the one size in the translucent, and I'm just going in and pressing it under the eye. Now I'm about to go in with my bronzer, and we're just gonna do swipe motions across where we contoured her face, and we're just gonna give that skin some color. Now we're gonna do the same bronzer and go up and down the nose, swipey motions, and we're gonna blend it up into her brows. Now we're gonna go in with my lightest translucent powder. This is in Beauty Bakery. I believe it's like oat or something like that. Forgot the color, and I forgot to show the packaging. I do apologize. And we're just gonna contour out that nose and also give her under eye that extra brightness. Now we're going into the brows, baby. So before we started this video, she asked me, she was like, Amber, I really want a very soft brow. And I was like, a soft brow? And I was like, we're going to try it. So I'm going in with a brown pencil instead of a dark brown pencil. And I'm just going to follow her natural brow line. And I'm not going to try to fill it in a little. I'm not going to fill it in too much. I'm just going to give it more of like that sparse brow, if that makes sense. And I'm going to blend in the brow pencil really more than what I usually blend it in with, to give it more of like that natural brow look. And yeah, that's how I achieve the soft brow and the look. And I actually kind of like it. I might do this on every other client that, really don't want those very contoured brows. Now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced concealer, and I'm just going to, oh Lord, she was yawning out. But I'm going to go in and shape her brow. And I'm going to also do it on the other side as well. And y'all know this brush been with me through thick and thin, baby. We're not throwing it away unless it's time to throw it away. And right now is not time, okay? And we want to keep the brow and the face very, very soft, because this is a natural glam. Even though it's a, full glam, we still want it to be soft. And I'm going to use the same concealer shade. We're going to use it at the top as well. And we're just going to shape the top brow as well. And now I'm just going to take my Real Technique dense brush, and I'm just going to blend. And we're just going to do swipe motions back and forth under the eye and on the eye and above the brow. I went in with my Laura Mercier in the medium deep, and what I'm using that for is to contour her contour, if that makes sense, her bronzer. Now I'm about to go in with blush, and I'm using the Juvia's Place. And as you see, we're doing tap swipe motions to give that blush that airbrushed effect, baby. And now we're going to go in with our second blush shade. This is the Juvia's Place, I believe the volume 1. And we're going to go in with both of those shades. Now I'm going to go in with the liner. This is my favorite liner. Y'all, I used to buy the first NYX. I believe it was like Epic's. Oh, what's the name? Oh, I forgot the name. But I was so like, I used to live by that liner. And then they took the longest break ever to make another matte liner. I hate that I had to find alternatives because nothing will ever get as matte as this NYX liner. And the day I went in Ulta and I seen that they had more matte liners by NYX, y'all, I bought half. When I say half, I bought half of the shelf. Cause I'm like, I don't know when you guys are gonna go out of sale again, but I need it. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my bright liners that I will be launching really soon. And this is in the shade Bubblegum. And we're just gonna go right above that black liner. And I got this brush from my local craft store. You can get it from Michael's. You can get it from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, in the arts and crafts section. And I'm just going to clean that liner up with a very small brush. And I love these liners because they're very easily to clean up. They don't dry too fast. And it's, oh, and they just, oh my goodness, they just give that nice smooth, and they don't crack. Let's get into it. Now I'm about to go with my lash glue. We're just gonna put that across the lash line. Easiest way to put on lashes ever on a client. Now here is a step-by-step on how I do the lashes. So I cut the tip of the lash and the end of the lash. And then I cut one piece of the lash off. And that's how I get the shape of her eye. And I just place it on. See how simple that was? That's all you need. Please stop leaving the hanging lash on your client's eye, y'all. Oh, I hate it. Now I'm about to go in with the black pencil and just go on her waterline and fill that in. Yeah, this is like my favorite part of makeup is seeing the resemblance of what I have done. So now I'm just dusting all the way away all of the powders, and I'm using her skin tone in the It's Cosmetics, I believe. I don't have none of my products in front of me at the moment, so I can't really give you a definite, but I believe it's the It's Cosmetics, their pressed powder. And I'm just going to dust away all of her highlighted points. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite highlighter, Makeup by Mario. This is in the shade Bronzy. My favorite. I want to be Mario's highlighter. Like, that's how much I love that highlighter. But what I use as the base first is I use the Black Radiance. And then I went on top with the Mario because it gives like that really good sparkle. Now I'm about to go in with the lip pencil. This is the MAC lip pencil in the shade. What shade is it? What shade is it? What shade is it? I believe it's in the shade. Just know I went in with the MAC pencil. I'm so sorry, you guys. I don't have none of my products in front of me at the moment. And now I'm taking a Q-tip to blend out the lip. And now I'm about to give her that bubblegum pink lip. So I went in with the Too Faced liquid lipstick. And then I'm about to go in with the NYX. This is their new lip gloss that they launched. I've had it for a little minute. I never used it on anybody. So let me use it on her. And now I'm about to go in with the Morphe. This is in the shade Frost. I went on top to help blend those two shades together. Now I'm about to set her skin with the MAC setting spray. all purpose, I believe. Pressing that on in, and just look at how flawless this looks. Oh my goodness. Now I'm about to do her bottom mascara. And guys, she loves it. She just loves every time I do her face. She like, Amber, you just don't miss. And it's like, period, you know. I love doing her makeup because it's just she is just so gorgeous, and I don't have to do too much. And look at you see the baby hair, still baby hairing, okay? No makeup, no nothing. Get y'all some tape, okay? Get the tape. And now what I'm going to do is just blend around her baby hairs from where the tape was. And then I added a mold for, that that look, okay? And this is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see on the next look, okay? Y'all have a good one. Love you. Bye.